Understanding Online Dating Apps, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very modern and interesting topic: online dating apps. These apps have become a significant part of how people meet and interact in the digital age. Whether you're curious about how they work, or just want to expand your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's dive in and understand what online dating app really means. An online dating app is a type of application software designed to run on a mobile device. Its primary purpose is to help people find romantic partners or friends. These apps typically require users to create a personal profile, where they can upload photos and share personal interests. The key feature of these apps is the ability to browse and interact with other users' profiles, often through a system of swiping or matching. Online dating apps use various algorithms to suggest potential matches. Users can then swipe right to express interest or swipe left to pass on a suggested profile. When two users swipe right on each other's profiles, it's called a match. This match allows them to chat within the app, exchange messages, and possibly arrange to meet in person. Most online dating apps share some common features. 1. Profile creation. Users create a personal profile with photos, descriptions, and preferences. 2. Search and filters. Users can search for other profiles using different filters like age, location, hobbies, etc. 3. Matching mechanism. The app suggests potential matches based on user preferences and profile interactions. 4. Messaging. Allows matched users to chat and get to know each other better. 5. Privacy and safety features. These are crucial for user security and include things like reporting, blocking, and verification systems. Online dating apps have significantly changed the way people meet and form relationships. They offer a convenient way to meet new people, especially for those with busy lifestyles or who live in remote areas. However, it's important to be aware of the safety and privacy concerns associated with online dating, such as the potential for fake profiles or personal data misuse. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what an online dating app is and how it functions. These apps are more than just a trend. They are a reflection of how technology is influencing social interactions and relationships in the modern world. Remember to use these apps wisely and always prioritize your safety and privacy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.